made out of
pomegranate and chia seeds.
product. So I'll advise that you go. I'll just show you the package. Hi guys, it's Ogechi here again. So I'm just going to show you some products that I got from ModelCo. It's a skincare product. I've kind of opened it, but then I realized I want to unbox it with you guys. So I'm going to I only unsealed the sellotape that they used to seal it for now. So that's it, ModelCo. That's I've been using their skincare product for some time. I just got another one. So this brand, before I open it, I'll just tell you this brand, they are based in Australia. So if you're living in the UK, sorry, I'm off the camera. I'm using my phone camera again. So let's see. If you are living in the UK, this product will be shipped to you. I think shipping costs about £5 standard. So this product is quite good. I usually buy the foam cleanser, but this time I've decided to add the gel cleanser. So I will use it and I'll give you a bit of review when about the gel cleanser. But the foam cleanser is very good. It's similar to other foam cleansers, but what I like about it, which is different from other foam cleansers that I've used, especially drugstore ones, is that it's quite gentle on the skin. I mean, you can see my skin is not the best, but it's okay. Okay, so I'm going to unbox it and show you what they looks like. It comes in this kind of pink box. I think it's quite cute. So let's see what's inside. So they've got all this little stuff to protect it. All right, so that's the product. I don't know if you can see it. I'll open each one. That's the products that I've ordered. This one, I think if you have oily skin and dry skin, it works well for both. It's made out of pomegranate and chia seed. Not chia, akia, sorry. Akia seed fruits extract. So for me, it is really nice. If I put on makeup, I can just use this to wash out my face and my face will be squeaky clean. But I do go on with other cleansers, cream cleansers to use. So I've decided to buy their own gel cleanser. But in general, I first use this and then use the normal cleanser to clean when I have. So I've got two of these. It's called, hope you can see it. It's cleansing foam from ModelCo. I've got this gel makeup blender. Now let me just laugh a little bit because in all honesty, I don't know how to use it. I mean, come on guys, sorry, I'm going to lift this up a little bit. Look, this, I don't know how to, I'm going to make use of this. Listen, I think I may do a makeup video tutorial to just show you guys how it looks. Sorry, I'm just going to position this thing very well. Our house has gone through a bit of refurbishing, so bear with us. Still needs to be decorated, I guess. And oh, this, I did not order this, but they gave this free. Look, I think, what is it? It's a lip gloss. And it's got this little mirror. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's got this mirror to it. Can you see me? Yeah. So they gave me this for free as well. Okay, maybe I should be buying a little bit more from them, innit? As This is cute. I like it. And the fact that it has a mirror is a bonus, because sometimes I look for my mirror. I usually do top up on lips if I put on makeup. And then I've got this, the gel cleanser that I mentioned about. Okay, so this gel cleanser I have not used before, so it'll be interesting to see how it looks. I'll open up and show you what it looks like. Oh, it's quite big compared to what I thought it was. It's got a lot of products, so this will definitely last me for some time when this one finishes, because these ones I finish using them quite quick, because I put on makeup every now and then, most of the time. So even if I don't put on makeup, I still use this every single night to wash my face before going to bed. So I'll recommend the foam cleanser. I have not tried the gel cleanser, so I'll tell you guys what it looks like. Okay, so, and that is the foam cleanser. So I'll show you guys. That's what it's made. It's also made out of the same thing that the other one is made out of, pomegranate and acacia seed. So I'll use this product, especially when I'm cleaning my makeup, and see how that works. I always back it up with this. It gives a squeaky clean makeup. Okay, I did not order this because I do not tan. But this is one of the free stuff that came with my order. So that's it. Can you see? It's called Tan Remover Exfoliating Foam. This would be great for people that do tan. But that's it done. So I'm really happy that they kind of gave me a little bit of free stuff. I didn't realize that, because usually what I buy is these two products and I'm done. But they were doing a promotion where you do a survey and you get $15 off your products. So I did I completed the survey and I was able to get $15 off products I ordered. Usually this would have cost all this together would have cost a little bit. This is the four things, this, and then the gel makeup blender. This would have cost about 33 pounds or so, but I got 15 pounds of it off and only paid under 20 pounds. So and then paid for the £5 shipping. However, if I ordered something that was above 30 pounds, it would have, the shipping would be free. But I looked at my money and I knew I didn't want to order that much, considering these are the two things I used. I've told you I first saw this from TK Maxx, you know, from their makeup and skincare session. I saw this and then I picked it up. I used it. I loved it. Since then I've been ordering from the website of ModelCo, because TK Maxx do not always have it, because they just have random stuff there. So I recommend this for your foam cleansing. So that's the thing over. So hopefully you guys will order and use it. I've told you this is great. I can't recommend it enough. This is great. I'm still yet to use this gel cleanser and this makeup blender. This is not what it looks like on the website. So if it doesn't work, I'm going to be complaining to them. I'll tell them this is not what I expect. I expect like maybe a buffy thing, you know, like the Real Technique one that is buffed out and maybe in a gel form. But anyways, I'll use it and see how it goes, and I'll tell you guys. Now this soap, although I don't tan, I still use it. Doesn't matter. I'll use it to wash my face, or yeah, the days I can't, I'll feel like it. So that's it over. Thank you all for watching. Bye.